How to organize a study guide for certified nursing assistant certification. How will you overcome any test anxieties, especially if you're taking a state CNA certification? There are many reasons as to why you feel nervous when taking state exam. But then whatever you may feel on the actual test may be prevented if you know to organize your CNA review. Steps. 1. Organize your study time. Make sure that you have time frame as to when and what time will you take in studying. Always stick to the schedule that you choose. 2. Gather your CNA textbooks, class notes, CNA videos, if you have, practice tests, CNA study guide, and flashcards. 3. Outline important medical principles in order to easily memorize the subject matter. Do not forget to start with the basic definitions and medical terms until you work on the more complicated information. Make it simple and direct. 4. The most nerve-wracking part of the exam is the CNA clinical test. When you are practicing your clinical skills, ask your spouse, friend, or kid to act as your patient. It is also very useful that you will make a flashcards of CNA skills. Take this flashcards wherever you go and from time to time read the skills. You'll be surprised at how much learning that you can absorb just by reading it at your convenience. 5. If you're not satisfied with your resource materials, you can try broaden your knowledge just by visiting CNA forums or any medical online forums. Most of the times, in forums you can gain tips and guidance for experienced CNAs. 6. Stay calm, focus, and be confident. Most importantly, have faith and do your best all the time. Tips. Study ahead of exam schedule, more or less 1 or 2 months before the test. Avoid cramming since it will probably give you test anxieties on the actual exam date. Most test takers who are cramming and not prepared mentally and physically oftentimes retake a portion of the test, and others failed both written and clinical exam. Don't rely your exam success to luck. Always follow your study schedule and do your best shot.